Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you what Shayr is and how to use it to manage your family's finances collaboratively, all in one place. Shayr is a free financial app designed to help families and individuals track spending, monitor net worth, and manage shared financial responsibilities. To get started, download the Shayr app from the App Store or visit shayrapp.com. Once you sign up, you can securely link all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. The app then provides a real-time snapshot of your financial health, displaying categorized transactions and net worth trends. One standout feature of Shayr is its collaborative approach. You can invite family members to join your financial dashboard, allowing everyone to view shared expenses and contribute to budgeting goals. The app also sends alerts for unusual spending and forgotten subscriptions, helping you stay on top of your finances. In conclusion, Shayr offers a user-friendly platform for families to manage their finances together, providing clarity and control over shared expenses and financial goals. And that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching.